Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: How to check if a Python SQLite database connection or cursor is closed. Introduction. In Python, when working with SQLite databases, it's crucial to ensure that database connections and cursors are properly managed to prevent potential issues such as data corruption or resource leaks. This tutorial will guide you through checking whether a SQLite database connection or cursor is closed using code examples. Prerequisites. Make sure you have Python installed on your system. You can download it from https://www.python.org. Step 1. Install SQLite 3 module. If you don't have the SQLite module installed, you can install it using the following command. Step 2. Create a SQLite database. Let's create a simple SQLite database named example.db and a table named users for demonstration purposes. Step 3. Check if connection is closed. Step 4. Check if cursor is closed. Step 5. Reconnect and reopen cursor. Let's reopen the connection and cursor to demonstrate how to reconnect and reopen them. Conclusion. By following these steps, you can check whether a SQLite database connection or cursor is closed in your Python application. Properly managing connections and cursors is essential to ensure the integrity and performance of your SQLite database interactions. Always remember to close